What's up, all of y'all who watch our channel? Sorry, I'm trying to pull out of my apartment complex and talk to you guys. I don't know why I'm being over the top right now. Just, you know, just being wild, I guess. Being free. No, really, I don't know. I'm like super freaking hyper. Anyway, what's up, all 115 of you who are watching? Much love for the people who, those of you who have subscribed to the channel. It is much love. Hey, while you're at it, you know, you're showing us that love, be sure to go like us on Facebook, on the Facebook page, TXMD, all caps, space, original, and then on Instagram, TXMD_original. With that out of the way, what do we got going on today? Today's Tuesday, and I've got to break down father duties. Miss Mandy, my wife, has to go get our beautiful daughter today because I owe Aaron a bunch of work. I don't think I'll ever be completed on that. But we got another snorkel job. Another one. Insert, you know, DJ Khaled right there. Another one. Another snorkel job. So a backstory real quick on this. I wasn't there. So I can't really give you the full, like, in-depth detail, but what I do know and why we're doing the snorkel on Matt's brand new Teryx, which also, if you haven't watched our last video, you got to go watch our last video on Matt's Teryx when we cut the cage brand new out of the showroom, chopping cages on that sucker. But yeah, so now we're doing a snorkel. The reason being is Matt, after he got his cage chopped by Aaron, you know, at the shop, they went and rode. I wasn't able to make that ride, like I said a minute ago, but what they went out and they were riding. Matt got a little wild and decided he was gonna go full send. And yeah, apparently he got pretty damn deep in some water with that old Kawasaki Teryx of his. And from what I understand, it handled its own, but it was definitely deeper, like a deeper situation than he was expecting when he dove in. So now he's like, you know what? Aaron, I want some snorkels, and you're the snorkel expert. You are the freaking snorkel guru, which he's obviously done the snorkels on Aaron's and his own, and God, I mean, countless account. We actually have videos of a few of the snorkels that he's done. Again, this is just advertisement. Plug on ourselves here. Go check out our video on snorkel and the brute force. But yeah, so another snorkeling job, but this time it's for Matt. That beautiful machine is just getting all cut up, but I can't say I blame him. I mean, it's just part of it. You buy a side-by-side, you buy a four-wheeler, you want to go play, it doesn't stop there, you know? It's just money, 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 and fabrication and chopping and this, that, and the other, and gosh dang, I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, nice skid. All the skids.
Why is this thing in my shop?
What is this? Aaron's dad's community shop?
Huh? Hey, this is my house, man.
I just paid my shop rent. I literally brought the beer and put the beer in the fridge. So
What's up,
I'm assuming that's what's in his hand there is his shop payment.
Yeah,
you know.
this is always my deposit. Takes care of pretty much everything.
Dang, Wayne doubled up today. He played both of us.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Man, I tell you what, this uptime
Yeah, a lot of fucking
was
work.
real good. Oh, and these Matador beef jerky, so delicious. Like these Miller Lights.
New clutch, new tires, new brakes.
Not a sponsor. Could be. Just saying. Hook it up. Sign the check.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Look at that.
We now return to your regular programming.
All right. Here's winging time with Wayne.
All right. So what I'm gonna tell you guys is, I'm gonna explain to you young bucks, is what you got to do is, if you're gonna be running through mud and water and things, you know, differentials, transmissions, all these things have a seal. The seal is designed to hold things in, not out. So if you go in the water, you get what's called pressure.
Ooh.
Okay, you get
Right
this
down in that
pressure,
region. In
and
that
the
region
deeper
there.
you go in the water, the more pressure it puts on the seal. So the seal is like this. Well, it just pushes the water inside your transmission and differential and destroys it. So what you got to do is you got to find a way to put the original seal facing this way to keep things from going out. You got to put another seal facing that way to keep things from going in.
Ah.
Double seal.
Got
Double
it?
seal.
Double seal.
Double seal.
Okay, so real quick, I briefly just told everybody like why you decided you need to go snorkel. So I mean, just can you tell a story? I wasn't there. I also let them know that because Rhinoser.
So I was leading on the last part of the ride, and we were getting back into the pretty good section, and I think it was what, Jew got stuck?
Yeah.
Jew was stuck, and then I was just gonna go and basically do a little bit of exploring, kind of see what's going on. I get into this hole, the front end dips. Yeah, true that. I was like, they got it.
Salt levels.
And because I already pulled Aaron out.
Oh.
So I was like, okay, I'm good. I got it all taken care of. So then I basically, my front end dipped down, ass end dipped down, and I thought it was okay. Took another 3 feet, it still seemed totally fine. And so I went to shower down in it because there was only like 3 foot of hole left. As soon as I did, it just, and it went from tire depth to over my lap. And
oh no, yeah. So yeah. Well, stand next to it real quick so I get a reference.
I hate it when that happens.
So yeah.
So basically, I couldn't see the top of the doors. It was completely over the doors. And Cody, thank God Cody was right there, and his big ass went and started rocking the hell out of the Teryx. And I just backed on up out of it, and it got out of the hole, and then I backed on up like 5 foot, and then whoom, and it started slipping. I was like, oh my gosh.
Hours.
Yeah.
That's hours on this mission.
Submarine number 2.
That's what he said.
Like, what?
What were you doing?
What the hell are you doing? I didn't mean to. I thought
So
I knew.
Aaron's already diving in on like taking panels off and whatnot.
But luckily, with this random little toolkit you had, we were able to do a little trail fix.
Toolkit somewhere? Oh.
And drain out what little bit of water was in it.
Ryobi toolkit.
Oh.
They were getting them out.
Shout out Ryobi, not a sponsor. Could be though.
And either
That's why your battery's going dead, man.
Huh.
Yeah,
You got the light bar lights on.
He casually just knows. Yeah, I know. Why don't you know already?
I wired it that way.
It's on up all the time.
Don't tell me he's so cool a lot of water.
Okay, so what is your plan for this evening exactly?
I'm gonna try my best to get it all stripped down, the front end off, the dash out, get the power steering brain out, get it sealed up and drying, pull the seats, center console, and start pulling all the factory snorkel tubing off and getting ready to put the new shit on.
Dickie jeans.
Hey man, these are my work pants, bro.
All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
So excuse the noise, but we were taking the little brain here to seal it off, and look at that, Teryx in 2020 decided they're gonna go ahead and just start doing it.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome. Now we don't have to wait on it to dry like we did last time.
Yep, it's good.
Man, that's a headache saver is what that is. Good job, Kawasaki. You can kind of see me. The power went out. That's not just here. They pay their bills here. It's not my place. No, I don't know. Randomly, the power went out on this side of town. I'm not sure why.
Yep.
First, I thought it was EMP. I thought the Koreans were coming. Shout out Jim Kong-un. Make sure you like the vid. Yeah, I don't know. So we're working in the dark, and this cool little speaker deal that Matt has a dome light on it. Check that out. It's freaking cool. So we're working off this little light and some phone light here and there. And we're getting it done with what we can for right now. So
Yeah, I'm just gonna drink beer.
I think we're about to a stopping point. They can't see none.
You can't see nothing.
You gotta turn like this.
Shout out.
For the lights
Yeah, I
in
know.
the
Well,
face.
I was making the joke.
Yeah.
Like, you know, Matt's my brother-in-law, Chris. Shout out, Chris.
Shout out, Chris. Yep. Yep.
So I guess we're to a stopping point this evening because, I mean, this kind of sucks. But
Yeah. Can only do
We
so
made
much
really
on
good
the
progress though.
Yeah,
Really,
not bad.
we got a lot further than I thought we were.
true.
Yep.
Yeah, we were kicking ass until, you know, random power goes out.
Yeah.
Random powder.
Tell your dad to pay the bills next time.
Yeah,
Anyway,
absolutely.
on that note, we'll pick back up later. We got midget wrestling on the floor.
Quit doing that.
Power came back on shortly after you left. So we ended up getting all the pipes glued together and installed. Yesterday we cut the holes.
Alrighty.
Started cutting the holes for the rear
Let's see what we got back here.
snorkels. Action here. It goes in there.
Ah, like something like that?
In there. And then that plastic fits around.
Oh, so y'all notched that there?
Yeah. I've been doing that today before you got here, but yeah, that is all notched.
Okay.
And I got some plastic I'll put on there, purdy it up, make it look a little better. But everything's pretty much fitted. Just got to paint, prepping these for paint. And
That's what you were grinding over there for, right?
yeah. These are the risers that go on here. Of course, there's a rubber boot, but
That's
these
not a
are
rubber
just
boot.
temporary because Matt is going to be getting a half windshield. And so we don't really know where these are going to play in.
So for the viewers who would be asking the question, the same question as I would. Hi, Jamie. Why do it now? Why not wait till after the windshield? Can you answer that, or do we need to wait on Matt?
Well, because he's going on a ride.
So there's a ride in between.
Yeah, there's a ride in between the next ride. He's going basically next weekend.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So that makes sense. So he's basically doing these as a safety precaution from the last time, like we had talked about. And then he's gonna get a windshield later on, and y'all are gonna change the tips, like you were saying, up in there.
Modify these to wherever the windshield.
All right. So what's next? Where are we going from here?
We're gonna get painting.
Oh, look at that. There's a little sneak peek of what's going on down there. Mmm. Oh, you're so sexy, girl. Painting it is. All right.
So here we are. We got the snorkels done for the most part. There's some vent lines to run up, some differential bellows to put on there, which Matt ordered. Will be here next week, so it'll be before the ride. So that's all right. For the most part, it's done though. I know there's a little bit of lapse in the video coverage of what we done, but we just started busting ass getting it done. So let's see. I believe where we left off, Justin was showing you under this here center console where the pipe was. That has all been good, sealed, heat taped, ready to go. These are done, installed, painted. These are just temporary until we get the half windshield to go in here, and we'll know where they need to go. But they still look pretty good. Painted the clamps black just so it just blends in a little better. This thing's mostly black, so we want no silver on here. The belt exhaust tube is all in, clamped on there with these little fancy U-bolts. Goes down to the center console where I had to cut a big hole. But yeah, there it is. So now Matt should be protected in case he gets a little crazy and decides to take this thing swimming again. So that's where we're at. I guess now it's on to other stuff. My stuff, Justin's stuff, who knows. I guess we'll just figure it out. Kind of play it by ear, see what happens. But there's lots of stuff. That's all got to get done. Let's do it.
Yeah. That's me copying the intro y'all just saw for the Gerb. The Gerb and Matt finished it up. As you saw, like I said, he just gave y'all the walk around. So put in the comments what y'all think about it. And another snorkel, I mean, if y'all want a more in-depth video, we can do that. I'm sure this isn't gonna be the last one. What should Matt's next modification, accessory, that thing, what should be the next one on that? Like I said, just put down in the comments. I mean, give your feedback. Go check out the Instagram. Tell us what you think there, or on the Facebook page. Are you guys interested in merch? I don't know. I mean, there's only like 115 of you who actually watch this stuff, so just let me know what all.
One of y'all, someone's gotta have some kind of idea.
Even if there's just one, other than us three, like we're about it if you are. I mean, we're doing this for fun, but you know, we are also doing this for you guys, low key as well. I mean, like I said, now that we're starting to build a small audience, like I said, we want your feedback. So anyway, yeah, like he said, on to the next one. Dang, that bitch is clean. So, like, subscribe as always. Thanks for watching this video. And like I said, check us out on social media. Yeah. Come give us some love.
And hit that little bell.
Yeah, do that.
Bell so you get the notifications.
Do that right there. Alright, thanks for watching. So long!
Bye-bye.